Most people get this wrong, and they end up thinking their device is broken when it's actually just a simple reset issue. The truth is, resetting your Google Nest thermostat to factory settings in 2026 is easy, but only if you follow the correct steps in the right order. In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Nest thermostat, when you should do it, and how to avoid common mistakes that can mess up your heating or cooling setup. Let's start with the most important question. When should you actually reset your Nest thermostat? This is where most people go wrong. A factory reset should only be used if you are selling the device, moving to a new home, or fixing serious software issues. If your Wi-Fi is just disconnected, a reset is not needed. Now here's where it gets interesting. A factory reset erases everything. That means your Wi-Fi settings, schedules, temperature preferences, and account link will all be removed. So before you start, make sure you are ready to set it up again from scratch. Let's go step by step. First, wake up your Nest thermostat by pressing the ring or tapping the screen. This brings you to the main menu. Now rotate to Settings and select it. Next, scroll until you find Reset. Tap it. You will see multiple options like Restart, Schedule Reset, and Factory Reset. This is the moment where many users make mistakes by choosing the wrong reset option. But here's the problem. If you select Restart, nothing will be erased. If you select Schedule Reset, only your heating and cooling schedule is cleared. You specifically need Factory Reset. Once you select Factory Reset, the device will ask for confirmation. This is your final checkpoint. Confirm it, and the thermostat will begin wiping all data. In a minute, I'll explain what to do immediately after the reset so your system works perfectly again without confusion. After the reset completes, your Nest thermostat will behave like a brand new device. It will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi, sign in to your Google account, and set up your home system again. This is where you should take your time and follow each on-screen step carefully. Now here's a useful tip most people miss. If you are troubleshooting issues, try restarting first before doing a full factory reset. A restart can fix minor glitches without deleting your settings. To wrap it up, factory resetting your Nest thermostat is simple. Go to Settings, choose Reset, select Factory Reset, confirm, and then set it up again like new. The key is knowing when to use it and not rushing the process. If this helped you fix your device or avoid mistakes, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple tech guides that actually save you time.